Hello guys, welcome back to Harsh Crypto Support again. Hope you all are doing well and love from India. Yes, first time I'm making this video in English language because I have already uploaded two videos back on Dogecoin updates. That was the very beneficial updates for all of you, and I saw that there are many of audiences coming from another country. So I thought that if I provide the beneficial updates regarding Dogecoin, I cover any kind of update Dogecoin regarding any Twitter, any celebrity tweet, any kind of news, that will be the beneficial for our whole community if I provide in English language. So yes, show some love for this video and show some love for the Harsh Crypto Support. So guys, I'm back with the new news of Dogecoin which can be beneficial for all of you in coming future, because world richest person just tweeted about Dogecoin on Twitter. Yes, you can see that Dogecoin value is going up, and you can see the consolidation part as well here. It is very important. Dogecoin is very decently growing in this situation. All can see Dogecoin is holding very strongly here from few days. As per we can see the graph of 1 week, and today again crossed $0.01. Yes, that is going up. So guys, now I am going to show you that Elon Musk replied to normal person tweet on Dogecoin. Okay, so yes, I'm not any kind of financial advisor, but I want to provide you the good stuff, good news about Dogecoin for our Doge community and create some awareness about Dogecoin. That is the only my motive. So yes, if you want to invest, then invest at your own risk. So yes, I am going to show you Elon Musk tweet just 1 hour ago. He replied to one normal person. Might be Brand is a normal good person. I am going to show you his main tweet to you. So yes, you all can see here. Do you, Elon Musk, do you even have any Dogecoin? And Elon Musk replied, no, but maybe one day. Okay, so guys, one day, it will be today or it will be tomorrow, or yes, upcoming days. So you also know the potentials of Dogecoin. World biggest influencer, world's biggest richest person, and he is tweeting on Dogecoin. So it will gives more effect on this market, might be. So it will gain more value in upcoming days. So it depends upon you what you want to do. So guys, done with the update, and I will back with the new update for Dogecoin which will be more beneficial for you in upcoming future. So yes, please show some love for your younger brother and hit the like. Take care, goodbye.